Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your you can turn off your airplane mode, and then you can turn on your airplane mode again. So please don't forget